नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बात करना चाहती हूं ऑन द राइवलरी or the discussion that is going on between right to privacy and freedom of speech in India. Freedom of speech here we are considering of the media personals in respect to Shilpa Shetty filing a defamation case against the media personnel who are targeting her because her husband Raj Kundra has been arrested. इंडिया के अंदर देर आर नो स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस इन लॉट ऑफ एरियाज। इसमें एक एरिया है फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, एक एरिया है राइट टू प्राइवेसी। A public figure does not have much access to right to privacy because he or she chose to become a public figure. तो जब वो अपने घर के बाहर निकलता है, चाहे प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट हो या पर्सनल कमिटमेंट हो, he or she loses the right to privacy because that person is a public figure. दूसरी ओर फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच भारत के अंदर है एंड आई रियली थॉट भारत के अंदर है unless and until I faced certain criminal cases because of my freedom of speech. बट फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को मैं सपोर्ट करती हूँ और मीडिया की फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को भी मैं सपोर्ट करती हूँ, मगर मीडिया पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल व्हाइल एग्जीक्यूटिंग दिस फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच. मीडिया हाउसेस कैन नॉट पब्लिश फेक न्यूज इंटेंशनली जस्ट टू सेंसेशनलाइज द मैटर एंड टू गेट TRPs. बहुत सारे मीडिया हाउसेस फेक न्यूज पब्लिश करते हैं बिकॉज दे थिंक दे कैन गेट अवे विद इट बिकॉज दे आर फ्रेंड्स विद द PMO's office. I don't know, but a lot of media houses publish fake news and get away with it. No cases are filed against them. They don't even need to apologize because they are big media houses. So Bharat ke andar there needs to be strict rules and regulation when it comes to freedom of speech of individuals as well as of media houses. आप intentionally fake news नहीं spread कर सकते. अगर आपसे हो गई है गलती then you need to apologize. यहाँ पर शिल्पा शेट्टी के पेरेंटिंग के ऊपर कमेंट करने का किसी भी मीडिया हाउस को राइट नहीं था, मगर शिल्पा शेट्टी के हस्बैंड को अरेस्ट किया गया है इन अ पॉर्न एलिज्ड केस. सो ऑब्वियसली मीडिया इज गोइंग टू ड्रैग हर नेम बिकॉज शी इज हिज वाइफ. यहाँ पर शिल्पा शेट्टी कैन नॉट से दैट आई एम बीइंग टारगेटेड wrongly because she chose to become a public figure, and as a wife she should be aware what her husband is doing because she has been in a marriage for more than 12 years. I refuse to believe that the wife does not know what kind of business the husband does. Here I am refusing to believe this thought process because the same thought process I applied to Amitabh Bachchan, Jaya Bachchan, equation when Jaya Bachchan was saying something and Amitabh Bachchan ji was saying something. Both of them belong to different parties. In the sense, not parties. Samajwadi Party is associated with Jaya Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan supports, BJP. But here I found that the couple cannot not talk to each other on important matters. So here, if Raj Kundra is doing something which is related to erotica, it is a very important step, and he not discussing this with Shilpa Shetty, earning money out of it, and it has been months of executing this plan. I refuse to believe that Shilpa Shetty was not aware of it. But obviously this is my personal thought process, but it can be true, it can be false. Magar Shilpa Shetty has lost her right to privacy when she steps out of the house. Freedom of speech, freedom of speech of the media does not mean that they can capture Shilpa Shetty in the vicinity of her house, capture her in her bedroom. That is not acceptable. She has her freedom in her house, in her private space. But when she steps out publicly, she loses that because she is a public figure. So freedom of speech of media does not mean that they can publish fake news just for sensationalizing the TRP of their channels. ये clarify करते हुए मैं सिर्फ इतना ही दरखास्त करूंगी कि टेलीविजन न्यूज डिबेट्स के ऊपर इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स को डिस्कस करना चाहिए, उनके ऊपर डिबेट होनी चाहिए, जैसे फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ मीडिया ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स. कैसे इंडिविजुअल्स जिनकी फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच से लोग खुश नहीं होते उनके ऊपर क्रिमिनल केसेस डाल दिए जाते हैं भारत के अंदर. सो देयर नीड्स टू बी डिस्कशन ऑन सच टॉपिक्स. There needs to be discussion on exactly what is right to privacy. आप अगर एक पब्लिक प्लेस में आए हैं, इवन अपने घर के बाहर निकले हैं और आप मास्क नहीं पहन रहे जब एक पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, then people have a right to click your photographs because you are being part of promoting a contagious disease which can cause death. तो यहाँ पर आप कह रहे हैं कि मैंने मास्क के बिना मैं घर से बाहर निकल रहा हूँ और आप मेरी फोटोग्राफ खींच रहे हैं, that is invading my right to privacy. Then that is a wrong argument because a lot of people have done that with me. They step out of their house, they say that there is coronavirus in their house and they don't wear mask. As a responsible Indian citizen, you're supposed to click a photograph of that person and put it public because that person is spreading a contagious disease. So Bharat ke andar there is a lot of things that need to be talked about, explained to the normal Indian man, because ye bhi sunne mein aaya hai that people are saying who are arrested in this case that the police asked for bribe. Now we don't know what is correct and what is wrong. I can just say from my examples what is correct and what is wrong pertaining to myself. I cannot say that yahan par XYZ, whoever is blaming the police for this or Raj Kundra for this is correct or is lying, you know, because I don't know the fact. But yahan par Bharat ke andar we need to have, you know, discussions on important things. There is lot of ambiguity. हमको नहीं पता था कि, you know, section 41A का notice देना पड़ता है before an arrest. I came to know when I was arrested because that notice was not given to me. And now similarly, I am reading about it in Raj Kundra's arrest. But the police is saying that Raj Kundra was trying to destroy the evidence. That is why they had to arrest him. That is WhatsApp chats and whatever films that they had shot. So यहाँ पर I am still confused because I read somewhere that Raj Kundra went to the office when police raided his office. So when he went to the office, then how could he wanting to be destroying evidence? But then the police has their own version. So यहाँ पर देखिए, I cannot say this is correct and that this is wrong because I am not a part of the investigation. But all I want to say that in India, we really need to have correct rules and regulations because people want all the perks that the government can offer, but obviously they don't want to perform their duties. Freedom of speech is there for media, freedom of speech is there for individuals, but freedom of speech को टारगेट किया जाता है individuals को criminal cases में फंसाकर, मीडिया को भी गलत तरीके से फंसाकर. but freedom of speech का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप किसी के ऊपर जानबूझ के फेक आरोप लगाएं. राइट टू प्राइवेसी है सब भारतीय नागरिक की, मगर एक पब्लिक फिगर की राइट टू प्राइवेसी बहुत लिमिटेड होती है बिकॉज दैट पर्सन हैज चोजन टू बी इन पब्लिक आई. I hope this clarifies doubts of everybody and I hope everybody gets justice, whether it is Shilpa Shetty, whether it's Raj Kundra, the people who have been arrested, whether it's anybody who has been wrongly arrested. Namaste, Jai Hind.